Join me today as I tackle the challenge of overcoming time poverty by sharing some time-tested strategies with you. Time poverty is a real struggle in today's fast-paced world. It's the feeling of being overwhelmed with tasks, responsibilities, and distractions, leaving you with little or no control over your time. This constant stress can significantly impact not only your productivity, but also your overall well-being. When you're time poor, you're more likely to feel anxious, burnt out, and stuck in a never-ending cycle of busyness. We've all been there, stuck in a cycle of procrastination, constantly checking our phones, and getting sidetracked by social media. Poor prioritization is another major culprit. We often focus on urgent tasks rather than the important ones, leading to a never-ending to-do list that seems impossible to tackle. Let's not forget about distractions, colleagues dropping by just to chat, emails pinging you all day long and at all hours, and the temptation to multitask. These are just few of the everyday struggles people face when managing their time. Here are some helpful strategies that I've found that have helped a lot of my clients. Number one is the Pomodoro Technique, and you can use a format of this as well. It's a game changer for boosting productivity. It's focused on working in 25-minute increments followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles of this, you take 15 to 30-minute breaks. This technique helps you stay focused and avoids you from burnout during the day. You can, like I said, you can use a technique like this that you can use a variation of this technique, or you can use this technique. A lot of people take this and develop their own type of system. One of the key things is to take breaks. Time blocking is another effective strategy. It involves scheduling large blocks of uninterrupted time to focus on your important task. By doing this, you make significant progress against your goals without having distractions. And you have to turn the distractions off as well, like phone off, pop-ups off, those type of things. Another is setting SMOT goals. SMOT goals, you may have heard of SMART goals, very similar thing. These are specific, measurable, obtainable, and time-bound. You can create a clear roadmap for success with these type of goals. I've seen firsthand the impact these strategies can have. A client of mine was struggling to manage their workload. They were constantly feeling overwhelmed and stressed out. They began using a technique like the Pomodoro Technique and time blocking, and within a few weeks, they experienced a significant improvement in their productivity. They were able to complete tasks more efficiently and even had more time for personal projects and self-care. They're able to go work out. This transformation was incredible, and it's a testament to the power of these productivity tools and strategies. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can take control of your time, boost your productivity, and improve your overall well-being. If you're struggling with time poverty, I'd love to hear your story. Please share it below. My new program for Reforging Your Edge is the transformative program that doesn't just promise change, it delivers the exact blueprint that high-performing professionals use to reclaim their lives from the jaws of burnout. This isn't just about managing stress, it's about eliminating at its source. This isn't about finding more time, it's about owning every minute of your day. This isn't about temporary relief, it's about a permanent transformation. Through our proprietary frameworks, you'll transition from drowning in obligations to commanding your calendar, perpetual exhaustion to sustainable energy, and from reactive firefighting to strategic living. You can hang that fire suit up. What separates those who break under pressure from those who harness it? The edge you've lost. The one will help you reforge sharper than ever. Don't just recover, reinvent. Don't just survive, dominate. Message me to learn more. Share your own strategies and tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.